In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Klarna on eBay. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, make sure that you have the latest version of the Klarna mobile app installed and that you are signed into your profile. You will be able to find eBay in the list of recommended stores over here when you go over to the home page. Alternatively, if you don't see eBay, use the search function to look for it. When you search for eBay, you can browse through specific products and deals, but you can also find the website listed at the top of the Explore results. So browse through the options, and if you want to be redirected to the actual website, select eBay at the top. As long as you are redirected to the eBay website with Klarna, you will have access to this Pay with K option at the bottom menu. When you select Pay Klarna, it will give you instructions on what you need to do to use Klarna. Create a one-time card to pay later with Klarna. Enter the one-time card details when you go to checkout, and Klarna pays the store in the full amount, and you pay Klarna back in installments or the payment plan that you selected. So first select Pay with Klarna over here, and it will help you set up the payment in order to finish your payment on eBay. As you can see, you will need to include the amount of the purchase, so it is essential that you first browse through the items and you add them to your cart and check out. Once you have everything added in there, you will be able to input the amount that you must pay in eBay and set up a Klarna card. As you can see, you can also add some percentage to help you with tax cost, but as long as you select continue at the bottom, you can choose from the list of payment plans available for this store, and following the instructions on this menu, you will be able to acquire a Klarna card to help you pay. As you can see, you will have to add your own card. Like Klarna mentioned in the beginning, Klarna will pay the full amount to eBay and you will pay Klarna in installments. So all that you have to do in here is input your own card details in order to register it inside of Klarna. Once you are done, you can proceed to checkout on the actual eBay website and use the Klarna card that you generated to finish paying for your purchase. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Klarna on eBay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.